Hey, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today, in this session, I will explain the code of our RFID project using ESP32, OLED display and RFID module. So guys, I have the code using AI and project the assignment, yeah, and I have the code uh, project and I copy and I paste in Arduino. This is Arduino is uh, application project uh, using ESP32, yeah. So guys, next the application of Arduino. Oh, okay. One first, eh, sorry guys. First, we include several libraries. This is called, this is libraries, yeah. This is libraries need for this project. Arduino is the basic Arduino library. SPH is used for communication with the RFID module and MFRC MFRC 522 and is used to control the RFID reader. And appropriate GPX and appropriate SSD are used for the OLED display and while is used for 12C communication. So next the code. This is pin configuration. Why configuration? This section define the screen size and pin connection. The OLED display used with 1 to 8 pixels and height for and height 16.4 pixel and SDA is connected to pin 21 and SS to pin 22. RFID chase pin is connected to pin 5 and reset pin to point 2. Okay, next the code. This is code. This is called object intelligence. Why object intelligence? We create two objects. Yeah. Uh, Here we create two objects. The first object is for controlling the OLED display, and the second object is for controlling the RFID module. Yeah. Okay. Next, the code. Cons Unix char heartbeat map. Okay, this code stores a heart image in memory. It will be displayed as an animation when the correct ID card is scanned. Next, the code. I have void animate heart. This function creates a pulsing heart animation. The heart appears, disappears, and repeats 3 times. And I have void shows scales frame. This function draws a scale using the text character. Yeah, text characters. If a arms up is true and the hands move upward, and if false, the hands move downward. Void source code frame. And next, I have void I have called animate skeleton. This function, the function that repeats the skeleton movement for times to make it look like dancing. Yeah. Next, void spark burst. Uh, this function creates random sparking pixel. On the out screen, it gives a visual effect in after scanning a card. Yeah. And next, void setup. Uh, this called void setup function. Setup runs on when the board starts and serial begin. Um, Communication for debugging. Yeah. And where begin and SPA begin, where begin start 12C communication for OLED and begin start SPA communication for RFID. Yeah, and display display begin intelligence the OLED display if while the program stops, and then uh, code RFID PCD in this is called the function the function the function intelligence the RFID module, yeah, and display print display the message scan a tag on the screen. Next, I have find loop. The loop runs continuously. If RFID this check whether a new RFID card is detected. If not, programs wide. Yeah. And then string UID. String UID and 4-byte UID string and read the UID from the RFID card and stores it as text. And serial print UID, take UID and display the UID in serial monitor and display print UID. Show the UID on OLED screen. And then if UID, if the scan UID matches the register UID, the system shows heart animation and spark uh, effect. And then else if UID does not match the system, and the system shows dancing skeleton animation and sparkle effect. And then delay 200, wait for 2 seconds. And display print, then the display returns to standby mode and wait for the next card. And now I will scan the RFID And as you can see, the UID is detected successful, and the UID matches the heart animation appears. And now I want to about the demonstrate the project. And then thank you for listening, and thank you for attention. Discord. And maybe the tutorial can stop here. Yeah, stop here. If you want longer tutorial, you can see the code in my YouTube, and after the code is written and save, yeah, save in run or upload, yeah. After that, don't forget to connect it to the ESP32, because I made a difference between the explanation video and the result video, so that it doesn't get confused and wrong for the result video. And see you the next video. Okay guys, so the finish the code, demonstration the project. This is code, this is the program, this is application of the ID. And see in the next video in finish the project, and thank you for attention, and thank you for listening, and thank you for watching my video, and see next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.